If you're a new real estate agent, listen up. I'm about to give you real-world tips that every agent needs to hear. The stuff that actually moves the needle, not the fluffy textbook advice. You only get to be new once, so we want to start you off on the right foot. These tips will save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Ready to jumpstart your real estate career? Let's get into it. I've mentored a lot of rookies, and the ones who succeed fastest all follow these principles. So whether you just got your license or you're in your first months, these are the golden rules I want you to know. I've boiled it down to a handful of key tips. Foundational advice that applies to every new agent. We'll cover mindset, daily actions, and common pitfalls to avoid. Take notes, and more importantly, take action. Because knowing without doing won't get you anywhere in this business. All right, let's dive into the tips. Number one, let's treat it like a business, not a hobby. Set a schedule, time block your day, and build consistent habits. Just don't wing it, because consistency equals momentum. Real estate isn't a 9 to 5 where someone hands you a to-do list. You're effectively running your own small business. That means you need to show up every day with a plan. Time block your schedule for prospecting, follow-ups, appointments, and learning. Set business hours for yourself, even if you don't have clients yet. Too many new agents fall into analysis paralysis or spend days getting ready without actually working. Don't be that person. Develop a work routine and stick to it. Consistency builds momentum. If you only work when you feel like it, you'll still be waiting on your first deal a year from now. Skills pay the bills, but only if you put in the work to develop those skills every day. Number two, focus on lead generation every day. Your pipeline is your lifeline. Prospect daily. Calls, doors, social media referrals. No leads, no deals. We are playing a contact sport. In real estate, your number one job is creating new business, or what we may call lead gen. So many newbies get caught up in minor stuff, perfecting their logo, picking out office decor, scrolling Instagram, and they neglect the one activity that makes money, finding clients. Make it a rule that every day you do something that directly leads to a conversation with a potential buyer or seller. Cold call, knock doors, message people on Facebook, ask for referrals, whatever fits your style. Just do it consistently. Your pipeline is your lifeline. No leads, no deals, no paycheck. So block out those 3 to 4 hours for prospecting and guard that time with your life. It might not be fun at first, but prospecting is a skill. The more you do it, the better you get, and the easier it feels. Remember, your network equals your net worth. So get out there and build that network daily. Number three, don't be a secret agent. Tell everyone that you know that you're in real estate. Friends, family, neighbors, etc. Tell everyone that you're in real estate, because visibility equals opportunity. I joke that new agents should shout it from the rooftops. Why? Because your first few deals will likely come from people you already know or referrals from them. So send out that "I'm officially a realtor" announcement. Post it on social media. Call people personally. Hand out business cards like candy. It might feel a bit uncomfortable to self-promote, but trust me, your sphere can't send you business if they don't know what you do. No one is going to magically remember you're an agent unless you remind them. Proudly wear that real estate hat in every conversation. The more people who know, the more potential clients you have. Number four, find a mentor or coach and surround yourself with top producers. Learn by shadowing the best or by simply joining a top producing team. Real estate is an apprentice business. The fastest way to learn is to stick close to people who've already done what you want to do. If you can, join a team with a great mentor who gives you hands-on guidance and maybe some leads to get started. If not, at least find a veteran in your office who will let you shadow them. Offer to help with their open houses or paperwork, anything to be in the room where deals happen. Learn by osmosis, and don't hang around the office complainers. Stick with the go-getters. Their habits and mindset will rub off on you. Ask questions. Successful agents usually love to help eager newcomers. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. learn from the best, and copy what works. You'll fast track your success. You might be thinking, Dave, this is a lot to take in. Where do I start? It's true, there's a ton of advice out there. A big pitfall is trying to tackle 20 different things at once and mastering none. My suggestion, pick 2 or 3 of these tips and implement them immediately. For instance, set a daily prospecting routine. Tell a set number of people each day you're an agent, and secure a mentor or accountability buddy. Nail those basics first, then add more. Another common pitfall, expecting instant results. I've seen new agents get discouraged after a month with no deal. Hey, Rome wasn't built in a day. Real estate success often shows up 60 to 90 days after the work you put in. So if you plant seeds this month, you might harvest a couple months later. Don't plant seeds and then stomp them out because they didn't sprout overnight. Every call, meeting, and open house is a seed planted for future business. Keep at it. And don't go it completely alone. Ask for help when you need it. Agents who try to do everything solo often burn out. Use the support and resources around you. I want you to picture something. It's 12 months from now. You, the new agent, are no longer so new. You've closed 10 to 15 deals because you followed a plan. You built good habits from day one. You have a disciplined morning routine, a growing database, a reputation as a hustler who gets things done. Opportunities are coming your way. Referrals, maybe even other agents asking you for advice because you've progressed so quickly. How awesome will that feel? Meanwhile, the newbie who ignored good advice is still spinning their wheels, wondering when the magic happens. Big difference. Your foundation is strong because you treated this like a business, focused on lead gen and skill building, connected with mentors, and kept your mindset sharp. You're not among the 87% that flame out. You're in that top group that's thriving. That's the path you set yourself on by doing the right things early. Believe me, your future self will thank you. All right, you've got the roadmap. Now it's time to execute. If you want more guidance and a community that will push you to succeed, I invite you to join us at Elite Builders. We're a group of agents, new and experienced, who live by these principles and hold each other accountable to big goals. As a new agent on our team, you get mentorship, training, and a crew who's got your back as you learn the ropes. It's the kind of environment I wish I had starting out. So if that sounds like what you need, hit the link below and schedule a call with us. No pressure, we'll just chat about your goals and see if our Elite Builders group at eXp Realty could be the right fit to get you there. Remember, everyone starts from somewhere, but you don't have to do it alone. You don't have to guess the formula. We at the Elite Builders have the blueprint for new agent success, and we're happy to share it with you. So grab that blueprint now, and let's get you crushing it in your first year.